Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to chat and send files in Microsoft Teams. This is one of the core features of Teams and makes collaboration really easy. Let's get started first. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer and sign in with your account. On the left-hand side, click on Chat. Here, you'll see all of your recent conversations. To start a new one, just click on the new chat icon at the top and type the name or email of the person you want to message. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a text box. Type your message here and press Enter to send. It's just like any other messaging app. If you want to send a file, look right below the text box, click on the paperclip icon. From here, you can choose to upload a file from your computer or from your OneDrive. Once you select the file, just hit Send, and it will appear directly in the chat. The great thing is, files shared in Teams are automatically stored in the chats. Files tab, so you and your teammates can always find them later without digging through old messages. And that's it. You now know how to chat and send files in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.